Can I ask you some question about chapter 7, plant growth and development?
Oh, yes, of course.
Okay, what is the meaning of plant hormone?
Okay, plant hormone is an organic substance produced by the plant regulated plant growth and development is transported from the site of production and to the site where it acts. Okay, the hormone that found in all higher plant is auxin, gibberellins, cytokinase, abscisic acid, and ethylene.
Can you explain more about auxin?
Okay, auxin are grouped together by the plant growth. For example, indo-acetic acid IAA. Okay, auxin has a variety depending on the plant organ. Okay, high concentration are needed to stimulate the growth in the stem, and auxin does not produce any effect in the plant root. Last but not least, buds are affected by the medium level of the auxin. Okay, Nicholas, I want to ask you, what does auxin do?
Okay. First, auxin stimulate the cell elongation. Second, auxin stimulate the cell division. Third, auxin stimulate the growth of adventitious root. Fourth, auxin inhibit the growth of weed in high concentration, and auxin also prevent the developing of fruit and leaf from fall off premature. Okay, you has been taught about gibberellin.
Yes.
Some information that I know about gibberellin is it's originally discovered by Japanese in 1935
Okay.
while studying a rice fungus, Gibberella fujikori, that caused the silly seedling.
Oh.
The commercial gibberellin, which is gibberellic acid, is still derived from the fungus. Okay, and gibberellin stimulate the stem elongation,
Okay.
germination, and fruit. Flowering.
Of Lorraine.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, now I understand. Okay.
Can can you describe
Yes.
more about gibberellin acid?
2, 3. Okay. Gibberellin are group of plant hormone that, like auxin, promote plant growth. There are 60 type. In gibberellin. Are abbreviated in GA1, GA2. Okay, they are synthesized in young leaf, root, and shoots. Are transported to the other part of the plant. The effect in cytokinins are to encourage the cell division in the presence of the auxin. The enlargement in leaf and freedom from apical dominance. Then overcome dormancy in the some seed and buds. Can you explain about the abscisic acid ABA?
Okay. Abscisic acid ABA act to inhibit the growth, promote dormancy, help the plant to tolerate stressful condition, then it induce the stomata closure and reducing transpiration to prevent water loss. Citric acid also responsible to inhibit seed germination. For your information, there are three types of plant movement. First, nestic movement or netism. Second, tectic movement or theism. And third, tropic movement or tropism.
Okay.
The nestic movement are non-directional to responses stimuli. For example, temperature, humidity, and light irradiance. The stimulus may act to respond. For example, closing and opening the bud to form the shoot. Cornelius, nestic movement can define as the plant movement to stimulus. That direction is not determined by stimulus but by plant itself. Okay, can you tell me about the type of nestic movement?
The type of nestic movement are intensity or photonesty. For example, some leaf of some plant are horizontal during the day and drop during the night. Okay. Second is thermonesty. Okay. Crocus flower are open during hot and close during night. Okay. The third one is the Mimosa pudica are drop during when it touch. Okay, Nicholas. Can you describe about the tactic movement?
Okay, tactic movement is the movement of an entire cell or organism in response of an external stimulus obtained by the direction of the stimulus, such as light or an presence of food. Okay, Cornelius, can you explain about tropic movement?
Oh, tropic movement or tropism are directional movement respond in plant to that occur in the directional stimulus. Okay, there are 5 types of tropism. First one is phototropism. Second, gravitropism. Third one, thymotropism. And fourth one, chemotropism. And lastly is hydrotropism.
Gravitropism are the root tend toward to pull off the gravity. Thigmotropism are the plant respond to to the object. Okay, Cornelius, can you explain about photoperiodism?
Oh, photoperiodism is physiological relation to organism, the length of day and night. It occurs plant and animal.
Okay, Cornelius, what do you know about classification of photoperiodism?
Okay, for long day plant are exposed to light each day in order to produce flowering. Okay, for short day plant, it form flower when day length are less than 12 hours.